What happens when high fashion meets high speed? You get this, the Rasant Sneaker by Stella McCartney in collaboration with Adidas. All right, everyone, welcome back to Azay Store official channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable fashion with a spotlight on a groundbreaking product, the Rasant Sneaker by Stella McCartney. Unveiled during New York Fashion Week in February 2025, this sneaker is not just a stylish choice, it's a statement piece for eco-conscious consumers. Let's explore what makes the Rasant sneaker truly unique. First of all, the name Rasant means rapid in German, and it's no coincidence. This sneaker takes its cues from the legendary Adidas Monza, worn by racing icons like Mario Andretti and Michel Mouton in the late 70s and early 80s. It's a blend of nostalgia and next-gen innovation. With its high-top silhouette and T-toe styling, the Rasant combines classic aesthetics with modern flair. This sneaker is designed for both performance and style, making it perfect for anyone who wants to stand out. What truly sets the Rasant apart is its commitment to sustainability. Made entirely from vegan materials, including recycled polyester sourced from plastic bottles, this sneaker eliminates animal products while reducing waste. The use of recycled canvas further emphasizes Stella McCartney's dedication to eco-friendly practices. Now, you might be wondering, how does using recycled materials impact durability? Well, the Rasant sneaker is engineered to be robust and flexible. The recycled plastic fibers provide water-resistant properties, making it suitable for wet conditions. Plus, these materials are tested rigorously to ensure they withstand various environmental challenges. The Rasant sneaker isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. Its breathable uppers keep your feet comfortable during warmer days or intense workouts. And thanks to its cushioning and support, you can wear these sneakers all day long without discomfort, regardless of the weather. The buzz around the Rasant has attracted attention from celebrities and influencers alike. Models like Alex Consani and Martha Hunt were spotted wearing them at the launch event, while Olympic diver Tom Daley also showcased his stylish pair. This sneaker is quickly becoming a favorite among fashion-forward individuals. Unveiling the Rasant during New York Fashion Week was no accident. It highlighted not only the sneaker itself, but also Stella McCartney's broader mission of promoting sustainable fashion. By raising awareness at such a high-profile event, she encourages consumers and industry leaders alike to consider ethical choices in fashion. In summary, the Rasant sneaker by Stella McCartney is more than just a stylish footwear option. It's a powerful statement about sustainability and innovation in fashion. With its unique design, inspired by vintage racing shoes, commitment to using recycled materials, and performance capabilities in various weather conditions, this sneaker truly stands out in today's market. If you're looking for a way to support sustainable fashion without sacrificing style or comfort, the Rasant might just be your new go-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on sustainable fashion and lifestyle. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Rasant sneaker. See you next time.